In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom video bookmarks in VLC Media Player so you can instantly jump back to important moments in any video without scrubbing through the timeline over and over again. This is a super useful feature if you're studying a lecture, editing content, reviewing clips, or just want to save key points in a long video. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, load the video you want to work with and start playing it. You can use any video file that VLC supports, whether it's a movie, a screen recording, a tutorial, or a personal clip. Now, as the video plays, keep an eye on the timeline and watch for the exact moment you want to save as a bookmark. When you reach the spot you want to mark, pause the video. Pausing is important because it lets you capture the exact frame or time position without missing the moment. Once the video is paused at the right place, go up to the top menu and click Playback. From the drop-down menu, hover over or select Custom Bookmarks, then click Manage. This will open the bookmark management window where you can create and organize your saved positions. Inside the Bookmarks window, click Create. VLC will save the current video position as a custom bookmark. You can repeat this same process as many times as you need if you want to save multiple moments in the same video. Just move to a new spot, pause again, go back to the bookmark manager, and click Create once more. This is great if you want to save several important sections in one long video. After you've added your bookmarks, you'll see them listed in the manager. To jump to any save point, simply select a bookmark from the list and click Go To. VLC will immediately move the video playback to that exact position, saving you time and making it much easier to review specific parts of the video. If you ever decide you no longer need a bookmark, you can remove it easily. Just select the bookmark you want to delete and click Delete. That will clear it from the list so your bookmarks stay organized and only the ones you actually use remain available. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create custom video bookmarks in VLC Media Player, how to save multiple locations, how to jump back to them instantly, and how to delete bookmarks when you no longer need them. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're working with long videos or revisiting important sections. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.